Hi there, I'm Leah Davis, massage therapist for over 19 years and the creator of Get Confident with Deep Tissue. Let me ask you something. Are your hands tired and sore at the end of the day? Do you ever feel like you're pushing so hard to give your clients the pressure they want, but it's draining your energy or worse, hurting you? Or maybe you've been in this career for a while, but you still don't feel confident in your deep tissue skills. You leave your sessions wondering, did I really help this person? I know exactly how that feels because I've been there. Early in my career, I thought I had to work harder to give deeper pressure. I was used to my thumbs, overusing my hands, and I ended up sore, tired, and questioning if I could even keep going in this field. But here's what I discovered. There's a better way. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. And that's why I created Get Confident with Deep Tissue, an online NCBTMB accredited course that teaches you exactly how to use your forearms, elbows, and knuckles in a way that gives your clients the ultimate deep tissue experience without overusing your hands. In this course, you will learn how to deliver deep therapeutic pressure that actually helps your clients, how to save your hands and body, how to improve your body mechanics so you can massage for years to come, and how to build your confidence in your skills and communication. This course is made for real therapists in real sessions. It's short, practical, and packed with tips you can start using right away. And the best part, you can watch the videos as many times as you want, at your own pace, whenever it works for your busy schedule. Your hands are your career. I want to help you protect them while delivering the results for your clients that you're looking for. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start massaging with confidence, join me today and Get Confident with Deep Tissue. Just click below to sign up and let's get started.